对啊对啊，它本来就会自动结。今天你挂掉之后发现干，我2天前去直线的时候，然后没有，啊，真的还没有。我以为有2滴，就不对，是有。我刚刚也是啊，打那个，前面2次打完，后面走过了。其实还好，真的蛮高的。可以防御要升高才会。 我
，Hello，
哟，大家晚。
大家晚。今仔日3月18号，咱第2摆的这个天际线，第二代下乡的禁地第2摆的直播啦。哦，欢迎大家。顶礼拜算了不只好算，啊，不过咱明义算了游戏了，都规个拢伫迄个碰意点困去，中央困去伤忝啊。足久无安尼算。
对啊。
哦，迄落，好，咱即摆就是继续来算，啊，毋过就是咱今仔日，因为这今仔日3月18号，算是有一个纪念的日子啦。
嗯。
对啊，好，有安尼，有较大声。
哟。
好，啊，就是迄落啥，今仔日3188冬啦，吼，已经日头火运动到今仔日已经过8冬。
对
啊，就是今仔日想讲，咱的观众若是有想要甲咱讲的话，也是讲想要来甲咱开讲吼，会当伫咱的直播下骹的留话啦吼。啊 ，YouTube 甲迄落甲 Facebook 其实拢会使敲找即落倒数算看卖，咱今仔日同时2个平台拢咧做直播吼。
那是不是里面的接头？
来，啥物？你讲迄落嚓嚓声吼，嚓嚓声伤大声吼，就怀念。哎，慧斌你好。
慧斌就是第一代时阵，阮开直播时阵，伊坐伫我边啊。
哦，伊坐你边啊？
对啊，慧斌啊，慧斌啊。
你好，你好，你好，你好，迄落啥？慧斌啊，有无？足怀念。来，甲慧斌。
慧斌来耍哦，后礼拜换你。后礼拜换你。
好，啊，就是欢迎大家等下吼，及时来留话甲咱开讲啊吼。啊，看明义网算啊，恁有啥物要甲明义讲的，我嘛会甲伊讲啊。
对啊。
看伊。
你即摆看有迄开讲场嘛？
有，安尼看有。有啊，
我即摆是看无的。
啊，这个啥？迄个 Melima 伫迄落啥？伫 YouTube 顶管嘛有留的，讲
赞哦。
声音小看着啊细声啊杂音小大声。
是游戏的声音还是？阮讲的声音。
应该是音乐的声啦。
哦。
好。等下阮调整一下。麻烦卡罗甲咱斗相共阵。好啊，若是有较好，才甲咱讲啦吼。啊，明义就开始。
好，开始。咱即摆就是算顶摆阮救了 L 的老朋友嘛，欧斯人对吧？欧斯人。啊，即摆就是要去来去遮，我看者。应该任务有解说。找 Silence 嘛，伊有讲啊，就是讲，因为阮即摆要去拍远的禁地嘛，对吧？啊，但是要去进前，你爱先去找西边的书籍，对。啊，但是即摆就是讲，因为遮即个因见面的场地，有足侪机械秀，所以讲咱即摆爱甲个机械秀全部清掉。
哦。
对。开始。哦，咱即马有新的机械秀，伊叫啥咧？叫啥？好手背秀是无？张臂秀哦。
啊，这片顶悬有迄落啥？有出侪迄种毛啦。
对。
张水，是毋是张水？阿范，鬃毛是毋是叫张水？也是讲张水是迄种做产青的毛衫迄种的，啊，鬃毛要安怎讲？张毛。哦，张阿毛。咱即摆现场有迄落啥？咱这个印度东阿反拍伫边啊，伫遐看手机啊，伊等下若是看心情欢喜，看咱耍了就欢喜，想要过来甲咱做伙耍，做伙开讲的时阵，伊就会坐伫边啊。
我唔选当。
啊，大家让那啦弄我啦，弄我。 阿凡来，
我现在酸 down，
我来叫谁？
嗯，
这那亲像种大只山猪。
对啊，说牛啦，
牛
是毋是较像牛？
毋是你拄则看到迄是敢若是为涂骹甲迄个
是哦
物件涂起来，放伊用喙夹咧。
像。
啊，无，无钱。
哎，用背起来，来下当试看嘛新的技能，好吗？
这是啥物？
咻！哎，哈，小远，小远。
这要试啥？
阿万，
阿万。哦，迄足大。看是爱爬到较悬的所在去拍，敢会较好拍？
有可能较好吧？但是即马无较悬的所在啊。
等下，咱先把这个游戏的声音关掉。
咱即马调整一下。喂。
反正换一条线，看卖迄个
down，
游戏的声音敢会更较清楚。
剩上尾一只，但是我看，其实我拍袂到头前的角。
哦，这个入选啊，入选才麻烦恁甲阮听看卖，讲这个游戏的声音敢有较清楚啦。
嘿啊！哇！来这听。down。OK， 全部拍了。
咱这接声音的设备，迄个线可能是有小可问题。
这是头章的章哦。哦，所以讲章背修嘛。
章背修的。
对啊。对啊。
哦。
哦。
就是较接边的毛嘛，对，头章啦，马头章。
哦。
啊，不过伊这章背修是伊的头章设伫较接边，小意思，啊嘛是真奇怪。
干嘛呢？来看卖咧，敢有？
敢若看伊的名是感觉怪怪。
敢有像？这伊个头啊？看无？
对啊，看无。我是看起来那山猪的。
干嘛呢？哦，较大只的山猪是无？
嘿啊，大只的。
你收大只啦，山猪敢有遮大只？
飞起的咩？啊，伊的功能嘛足奇怪，就是会喷迄种，叫啥？
强酸，
嘿啊，喷强酸啊，到底对这个自然界是有啥物作用？
对啊。不要拿。大家咁好，哇！一寡人死去，但是无你吼，无 A 落去，全部人都会死。哦，伊拄则表那讲，就是讲，照理来讲，铁条顶应该有警告的声音，但是无啊，警告声音无去啊。哦，伊讲游戏的声音嘛。咱就
因为咱
接头啊，对啊。
咱就是讲游戏转迄个转电脑接迄个线，我接头是无度，可能爱换飞。
爱换啦，爱换啦。
就是迄头一边迄头。
Not sure，即马个无人知影呢。我要来找。 所以，好，
猜酒，
对啊，猜酒的牛个猜酒。即马就是爱。
你要讲在已经拍酒。
哦，对啦，拍酒场，对，拍酒。控酒场哦。
控的哦。
控的哦。
哦。
哦。
酒控。
对。哦，来等。啥物无开？等一下。
免，顶摆无。
红茶。
这茶是啥物？
来等。来等去剃条钉。啊，顺续拍一个山猪。
我毋知，因为我即马看拢无差，就你讲声应该是为迄个来啊。
有啊。
嘿啊，伊即条线若是无，即条线若无处理，对啊。游戏背景的下面无去，你个电话嘛？好，哦，这下面问题真正是足复杂。
阮即摆去找，我无问题。
问题是啥物？
问题。
问题的来。
问题啊！你看，我互大家看卖。问题。
但好这，这样是。
有无？
所有的问题。
咱即摆去找。
哦。
还没有人讲。
母逆问题。
母逆问题。
乌逆问题。
乌逆问题啊。乌逆问题。
后来伊这是问题，毋是问题，问题。这个问题毋是迄个问题。真正拢互迄个问题大衰安尼。所以即摆算是咧改领路啦。
对，伊个问题就是讲伊是管理迄个工厂，就是迄矿场的人。
有一个朋友叫武宏，武宏甲咱迄个啥注文咱的频道多谢。
感谢。
安尼你算啊遐听有值得啦。
好，咱现在可以找这个问题啊，问题乡。无看起来歹歹。
这问题看起来较缘投啦。
问伊天工的代志好啊？是你下念天工啊？对伊啊无？伊是管理者啊，对啊。你毋是我嘞？
为什么罗岗的？伊是扮演一种罗岗的救星啊，救世主就对。
无啦，伊家己认为。
伊认为，家己讲家己对啦。
By the people, for the people， 迄是美国建国的上有名的宣言嘛，对无？By the people， 对无？相机牌哩，敢问你？鸡排你也像。Awesome。哦，
讲话较大声。
讲话较大声都变 leader 啦。
敢若小可咧激闹的感觉。
问你敢确定讲你是一手打造这个铁条钉的人？无，小可怀疑。 我是讲，几乎是啊，对啊，
霸面是，啊毋过
八面是。
咁有影呢？
Say chain scraping is what it is, thanks to me.
Oh, so you're not just standing around and bothering off everyone else?
Not at all. Sure, I make a little turn on my investment here and there, but my main priority, as it was from the beginning, is to look after the well-being of these honest, working class.
Working us。哦，问伊甲卡加人是啥物关
Seem
系
to have a high opinion of the magistrate.
哈卡加卡加
毋是哈卡啦，我叫是讲是
哈加人是台语甲客语合起来。哈语。哦
Noble path, born with a hammer in hand.
介高尚。
Nobody handed anything or dropped opportunity into my life.
安尼哦，
Everything I've achieved, I've done on my own.
哇，伊就认为讲，
This head went out.
即马全部呢看到拢是伊的功劳啦。
Leadership forced me to set it aside. The cards are risk nothing.
所以就是讲家己讲家己对，
Yeah.
Gamble with their lives out there. Someone had to step up and say no more.
安尼无啥呢？对啊，
安怎？
Clear out all the whistleblacks.
张必修全部拢死啊！
Shock. Time to clear this up.
安尼就无用。
是时阵开工啊，是无？
I'll have to send someone out to confirm
哦，伊个派人确定，
我就处理，我去处理。
伊足无相信伊的呢。诶，L 是救世主呢。
The whistle now.
These are innocent Osram lives we're talking about. Surely the delay.
Either you do it now, or I will.
L 比较派。
I knew you could do it. Friends, gather around. Savior of Meridian has
随便面的，
随便面的，
Whistleblacks
我来伊看着伤济啦。
啊，我知我顶解上咧台语课是，迄种人叫做交变变变变，交变变。
搞这边，
啊，毋过交变变是，当然是较好的意思，就是讲足巧，足交变。
伊叫付钱。天公的钱伊爱付，所以
Don't you have an embassy?
就巧。
I guess I do.
哦，即马有商人啊，商人会当买物件，你看卖好啊。
好啊，
诶，
都
我看卖，
经理人啊，
诶，生理人，生理人伫倒位？
补充一个。
干无？干无？
这款，这三个上正边迄个有无？
正表，干无？
有啊，你个会当个放大无？
无上大，我见我
刚有看到生理人。
听过就知。
Patients should be able to treat. Should see if they have anything useful before they say bodies has to be.
啊无，无紧。 哎，我这会当放物件的，这是仓库的意思吧？呀，
哦，甲迄个就 Monster Hunter。
对，会当放物件。
仓库，
但是即马，咱有
无啥物。
皮包有够位啦，皮包有够位都免。现在找这，你叫啥？
就是伊啊，要找伊啊。
对啦。对，
开会就爱找伊啊。
这是苏浙，
太阳苏浙。
对，苏浙。我dis，
The way to Baron Light is clear. They're moving.
拢清了啊！
I will move on when the captain said.
Whistleblacks, which I have.
买啦，啊，无就是另外一个麦克去接收这个。
欧人
Putting up ahead for you.
哦，有迄个，
Three escorts.
要上班。
I'm off to Baron Light Waddies.
但咱声音阁做一个调整啦吼，
Abandoned to the
看
riffraff?
安怎会当互大家拢听到迄个游戏内底。
即马调整一下
There, Aloy.
你甲迄支摕互，嘿，莫顾，规支摕互伊啊，规个摕互伊好，嘿，饮料设立，嘿。迄个边仔迄个斗牛者，
Well,
线小
now that
整理
that's
者。
done, the embassy can finally get underway. If I can get through it, I'll be able to track down Silence. Hades. Maybe
安尼较紧哦，
Guess I could head straight for Baron
安尼听起来敢会怪怪。
or poke around the donut some more first. And maybe take Petra up on that drink.
安尼有，安尼有，
哇，
有。
啊，今晚看一个任务，就是讲主线，哦，主线要去西边啊，
诶，
主线着，主线、支线是这，啊，现在要拍支线好啊，因为即马吼，因伫咧调整啦，所以讲咱即马先拍一个支线好啊，
好啊，好啊。
哎啊，就是讲爱去拄则迄矿场的西边找即个张必修，
诶，
对啊，就拄则阮拍迄几支啦。啊，这支有无？
是这样。哦，对，当起来。
冲嘿，会当甲掠起来，
嘿
咱即摆会当掠看卖，
好啊。
对啊，伊会当掠起来。
这个游戏内底就是真，安怎讲？就是你若是要行较紧啊，走较紧啊，就爱掠这个。伊个名叫足奇怪，啥物冲撞兽？华语用冲撞兽啊，冲撞兽。阿番，若是讲冲撞兽，华语是冲撞兽，咱要怎翻译做台语较好？
小龙，
较好。
系啊，
就是伊咧，迄只动物就是会一直戆啊，直直弄啊，就是伊的性就是安尼，所以要安怎翻译较好势，较适合。龙，
龙，
冲崩修，冲崩修。
哦，冲崩一丢呢。
冲崩修。
我会记得我第一代时阵，阮都是安尼翻译。冲崩修，对对。
冲崩修，然后叫冲崩的。冲崩嘛会使形容人啦，一般是咧讲人啦吼。
会使啊。
哦，我声音卖掉。
咱先等者石头。啊！我亲唔着。等者石头，叫伊过来。来哦，啊，先甲印过来，先甲印过来，哎呀，先甲印过来，来啊，较过来，先甲印过来，啊，袂当互伊发现。噔噔，
哦，对，这样
哎，
你会使徛。
就会当起来。
哦。
对啊，
安就方便啊。
安尼较紧啊。
嘿，安就免用双卡行。
对啊。
啊，伊敢袂使跳哈？
跳。
嘿。
我试唔着，我试唔着。我跳看卖，敢若袂使呢。诶，敢袂使跳？敢袂使？会当加速啦。
哦。啊，毋过安就已经足紧啦。
对啊，紧足济啊啦。
哦，来。开任务来，
哦，对对对。现在声音，即摆声音是毋是较好啊？
有啊
有。有。
Once the Bristleback
遮无倒徛，我用走诶。等者才出来，才等来找伊啦。
哦，伊伫遐等你。
嘿，伊伫遐等我。
遮方便。
咱即马就是要去找迄张必修。
一百二十步。
对啊，100步。
哎
无。我想要拍迄支动物。我来问阿凡，晚上要怎翻译？晚上的台语是啥？晚上就是。
完上好。
是咪啊？找看
我
嘛，
来
插一个锂电看嘛
我
的。
插锂电，等下。
对啊，
哎呦靠呀！找台机还找无？
诶，那无。
等，我找一个。哎呦。
哦，啊，检查伊的尸体啦。
找
Looks like it died on him.
嗯，
台机。
Maybe it charged off the cliff there.
看起来是
I gotta keep following the trail.
落伫涂骹摔死的，
伊是为顶管摔落来，真的。
有可能。看起来是顶管摔落来。
即摆无杂音啊。
哦，是有较好是无？
有
洗型哦。对啊，洗型。
洗身躯的洗手型，洗手型。伊的动作就是安尼洗手。
啊，是哦，哦，是形容伊的动作就对啊。嗯，对呢。
对。哦，所以表示讲，伊一开始后面就是看伊的迄个动作啊，啊，毋过迄个啥，迄个呼吸毋是嘛是共款哩。
干嘛呢？
哎，我的声音哦。
来找看卖，是毋是有新的机械手？
An old mine.
哦，是一个旧的矿坑，
梦控，
梦控
毋是梦控啦，这是算金控还是
唔知。对啊，
石控？
就讲装备手是为遮来，敢有可能？
Okay, leads out of the dome.
行入去看卖就知
啊，毋
影。
过伊这，我感觉这空，
啊
那这泵空无讲介大，迄装备手一只拢足大只。
对啊，伊那有法度为遮过来。诶，哦，我想讲那摕无。
古早的手指。
当然，
Contract's closed. Looks recent.
诶，
Dead bristleback down?
诶，遮嘛有一只呢，装备手，遮嘛有一只装备手。诶，敢有法度去哩？诶，敢有法度去哩？干嘛呢？诶，无路呢？敢有路？我去看嘛，去看嘛。
你用迄个啥？你用迄个扫描一个啊？
啊对哦，
对啊。
我袂记。诶，无路呢？让哪去？
我咧试一届啊，试一届就是扫描看有迄个黄色的，闪黄光的。哦。
这敢有路？
啊，迄边安怎摕？
对啊。这敢有路？无路啊！我要哪去哩？啊，遮啦，遮，
搁扫一届啊。
遮啦。哦，伊这有 hint，拄则无看到，所以，但是我是要去对面呢。
看会当。
我看者，敢会当跳过？
你徛你遐扫看卖啊？
哦，
徛你上头前遐。
无，我都过呢。
哦，啊无就是爱为。
干嘛呢？
找路踅到另外一边去。顶管的，顶管到有物件啥？
哦，中吼，顶管无啊，
无。
无路呢？还是遮？
我都爱踅路。
还是遮？敢是遮呢？遮嘛有路啊？
哇你咧！
哇，你完全是遮哦。要拜托诶。对啦，遮啦。所以，哇，张必修，遮都有张必修啊。两只敢拍赢，我去看卖好了。
敢一定爱拍？
有啊，伊即马任务讲一定爱拍。
家己顶管拍。
我是惊讲伊会起来。莫走。 哇，拍袂到伊的弱点。哎，
差一个，开关。
够有一只，够有一只。诶，
哦，你先。
拄则有两只啊，那无去。
哇，伊坐你边，徛你边啊无？一角，嘿，对对对。
哦，对对对对。伊敢若会晓走尔。
你卖落落啊！伊等下冲过来。
有可能哦。诶，啊伊人诶，
应该比你后边。
哦，遮是无？毋是啊，毋是遮。诶，无起来呢。那无去。
比起来看。
咦？豆饼啊！
紧走，紧走，紧走。哦，像。
我橡皮，我就是讲我橡皮。无有，无正。
拍卡声。
所以。
哦，对。通过。
好，无啊无啊。还有呢。即马任务无啊有消息啊。
哦，伊讲啥物有在庆烟啊？
调查庆烟的。
庆烟的所在。
倒位？哦，遮哦，咁遮？
是啊，过过啦。
哦。
应该是另外一边。
哦，对。
这声音是啥物声音？
有水的声音，水。应该是假的无？
这店内底上久，应该嘛是会中毒的吼，因为这内底空气无介咯。
对啊。
酸素无介济。
应该是假无毋对啊。但是即马看无路呢。即马有小可看无路。
你用扫描啊？看有效无效？
哦。
你搁转来啊？
应该是有路，但是毋知影路伫倒位。
有啊，看迄镜头。
对啊，就遮就是咱拄则落来的所在啊。
我叫你当背啊。
这就是咱拄则落来的所在。是啊，应该是啊，遮啦。遮啦。哎呦，恐怖！敢要爆炸？试看卖敢要爆炸？
无啊，你用迄火箭。
你即马无火箭啊？对啊。
无迄种火箭。
还未到遐。敢遮？
空间发展那么多，
对啊，即马那会阁无路？奇怪。还是爱甲遮放弃。哦，遮啦。检查，伊就是叫你检查这啊。文迪的字条呢？
文迪过来啊。
阁是文迪兄。哦。所以，咱即摆应该是要出去啦。遮。应该是，对。所以，咱即摆会当出去啊。
所以敢若一直要放弃啊，
有无？伊就有掠着伊讲，伊偷会甲遮放弃啊。
哦。
对啊。
Maybe the explosions blew a way open? But from where?
咱即摆就是应该是转去啦，转去去条钉。
所以是找到一个线索了。
对。
问后一个线索。
哎呀。 先来去找拄只迄支，咱的马，咱的小冲锋车啦，咱的冲锋车。
拄则迄落呐，立选有甲咱讲啊，就是讲即摆迄落啥，你若是骑马，不骑迄个冲锋秀的时阵，需要跳的所在，伊家己会跳。
哦，原来是安尼哦，啊，有拄则有跳啦，我有发现，伊拄则其实有跳，但是伊毋是每一个所在拢会当跳过。
对对，伊是讲，即代可能是有一寡 bug 啦，就是讲有的所在伊家己袂跳，就是。
我发现我捡着所在，我捡着所在，应该是应该是这落去应该是死。好，
即摆要无法度飞就对。
无你就是讲是古墓奇兵就好。咱行水路较紧啊，行水路较紧。
啊，咱就毋免骑迄个冲锋秀啊。
对啦，无我找无伊，我袂记伊伫倒位啊。
做兵啦，你看遐毋是为迄个图。
无这是野心呢。
野心的。
对。
啊，结果你家己的咧？
我拄则袂记伊伫倒位，我今仔个掠一支就好啊。哎呀。搁掠一支好啊！
伊讲会当直接用迄个啥？
叫伊过来是无？是毋是当叫伊过来？
你用迄个倒兵即个方向器。
哦。
会当叫。
啊对，当叫诶，我袂记哩。
伊家己过来哦。
对，伊家己过来。带伊过来，伊较远啊。过来啊！
来。我叫红边。方向器，方向器要台语要安怎讲啊？
方向器要什么意思？
嘛，方向器啦，方向键啦。
哦，
对啊
，button 就。我要讲英文。
我想方向键啊，这要讲台语就要安怎讲？是不是啦？
敢是伫内底 ？NPC 敢是伫内底？啊，对，伫内底。伊伫遮。哦，找到伊啊！
What news do you bring?
刚完修的 嘎巴的。
Looks like they stampeded out of a mine at the back of the valley.
The mine? How could a herd of bristlebacks come from there?
我嘛不相信。
But Ulvin's workers were using explosives to tap the tunnel's
啊，
inside.
伊嘛想无讲，查比想那位遐出来。
Those tunnels, they run for miles underground, even beyond the Daunt.
哦？
No, you don't think.
That Ulvin's blasting opened up a passage from the other side?
哦哟。
Yes, perhaps. If this is true, we need confirmation. An inquiry. So
隧道
so irrefutable. Endorsed
他
by
喏
the city.
崩坑啊！
崩坑，
崩坑。
伊拄则讲迄个崩坑会当一直通知另外一个所在的。
I need to go.
Of course.
Of course。哦，咱即摆是不是安尼都改了？我看卖咧。哦，咱即摆应该算讲改了啊，
改了，这里无改了。
改了一个阶段啦，咱即摆要去食哦，足远的。
中会当练功的。
这若是无买，应该足慢的，行得久。 来出去，对。
Another reason.
所以恁即摆是要解决讲，互即个会面无法度进行的所有的原因啦。
对。爱清除所有的障碍。因为你若是无迄个会面进行，咱即摆就无法度。
无法度去西方。
对啊，无法度啊，对。行哦，行要较紧。
西方西边，西方西边。
啊对啦。
你看一个共一个汉字就三种无共款的读音，啊，台语就是三种无共款意思。
西方
西边。西瓜，有无？
呀，敢无较紧？
对吗？
啊，安尼上紧啊，安尼上紧。
系啊，
我已经惊一半。
你看步数。
对啊，我无就知影讲600步嘛，啊，即马无到300步，你遮乱过，好无？莫搞拍，莫搞拍。
伊拢就冲蹦的哦。
对对对。但是伊冲蹦秀应该算讲是较无遮歹去害羞。对啊。到位啊，到位啊。
个性算较冷静。
对。
除非讲你挖因伤紧。
哎呦，要开始哦！红根，红根就是这个镇的名啦，对不？这个所在叫红根。哎，看卖，我这所在不加大吼。
世界行行。
世界行行啊！咱先去找主线。
有这个啥？正面伊个人头顶是有一个。
哦，无这是这老朋友啊，咱 Alan 的，对啊。
伊哪会走来遮？
我伊本来就遮的人。
你伫遮休困。
对啊。伊受伤啊。
重伤啊。
伊是少数知影讲世界要毁灭的啦。因一路会甲讲啊，迄个瘟疫的问题，对啊，来问一下香港。
即摆无法度见到。
这个所在。啊那西方红掠来人拢归你家。其实这台的任务伊的表情做得拢真好，你看起来都无啥物希望的。
你配音嘛配得袂歹。
配音一定拢袂歹啦。对啊。爱甲问无？啊，算算题，爱问啊，无爱问。
太无情了
伊就讲。你拢做大代志，但是我无希望你雄雄都无去安尼，无消无息。
Hopefully sober next time.
Be careful out there, Aloy.
他说你咧 ，Aloy。所有的人拢会甲 complain 讲，你迄时阵雄雄都无去啊。拉板。
Are you in charge around here?
拉板，新的 NPC。
奥巴马，你哪是遮？
奥巴马。
What brings Aloy of the North to Barren Light?
I'm here for the embassy.
Yeah.
I need it to happen so I can head west. And maybe now that Studious Wadis is here, we can finally get things underway.
Wadis.
Yes, the Sun Priest. Walked in practically kicking and screaming behind his escort. Really seems to like his scrolls.
就差。
But the embassy remains delayed.
这个个细细
Command
的。
knows our hesitation or readiness, but the Tanakh marshals have yet to sound their horn.
好噶。
Fine. Let me through the gates then. I have my own business with them.
I'm sure you do, but I'm afraid I
哎
can't.
呀，
Commander's orders.
未过呢，
Normally, the gates are open for
伊无行过。
anyone to venture out. Asaram salvagers, a few especially brazen Karja, but no one's allowed in or out before the embassy. Now we open. Once the Tanakh left.
Tanaka。
所以另外一个种族的人伫外口的哦。
对啊。问伊哪吒伫倒位？
啊，毋过伊毋是要。
Commander knows all of them. If he's
你要
there
去
keeping the
找
gates
指挥的
shut,
人
he's to open them for me.
啊，要要去找 commander。
I have to warn you. The commander isn't one to break protocol, especially when he's already high-strung.
We'll see about that.
带去就对啊啦，免讲遐济。
This way.
这阿洛伊嘛就厉害了，
因大家拢知影讲伊是救世主啊，
哦，有迄个啥，这名声啦，好名声。
爱互伊面子咯。
The work stoppage and change create nearly
那
halted.
无这个就麻烦嘞。其实这就是一种政治啦，吼
对啊，
政治的谈判。
较紧的啦，
Helping to
Yes, well, I'm sure Ulvin was thrilled.
会当甲杀，叫伊较紧的，较紧的，
Stand aside, soldier. Sir,
让开，我要落来，
Commander,
安尼讲较紧啊，
brace yourself. Good luck.
较紧的。哦，这应该是 commander。
The tribe that can't even govern their own people.
What more can you expect from barbarians?
Aloy, was it?
Yes. The one who cleared the valley for you? That Aloy.
We appreciate your service. At least we are ready for the
啊
embassy to，begin.
在准备呢。
Didn't you just give the signal?
Both sides must signal readiness until the Tanakh sound their horn.
天哪个，天哪个都是西边。
Yea, for as the first shall be kept.
Shut up. Why the delay?
点点。
The Tanakh
Ai cha.
tribe composed of 3
哦，
clans.
伊迄个迄族内底佫有分
三个部族
无共款的，
对啊，
You're just gonna wait?
看起来是搁咧
无共
吵。
征讨啦。
对对对，搁咧吵，搁咧吵。
搁咧吵。
This isn't some forgotten corner of the East where you come from, Nora. It's the Forbidden West.
所
If
以
you don't like it, run back to Meridian.
我咧，
对啊，佫
怎么
等
想
回去啊。
怎么像是当兵的上大这些？
Nobody walks through the gate into the third clan.
咱就是一开始为遐来的，
对啊
啊，即摆叫咱要佫转去，这真正是。
就无礼貌的呢，就无礼貌的呢。好了，我要走啊
Oh, thanks. But I've waited long enough. It's time to go.
，Time to go。啊，够袂当走，伊拄则毋是叫阮走。
奇怪，
Keep telling yourself that.
无袂你安怎？对无？
Someone approaching on a machine.
像。
哦，
哦，伊报错的啦，Nora 的战术啦。
那一开始，
对，老朋友，
爱考爱对咯，
爱考对了。
Open the gates, please.
Do not let her through that gate. That is a direct order.
Sorry, can't do it.
我的安怎？
I'm asking nicely.
赶紧开门！哇哦！
As usual, Aloy wants something.
Open
That's it. Arrest her.
I'd like to see you try.
啊，要把起来哦！
Supporting fire? Yeah, I'm locked and loaded.
Noza,
哇，
you stupid bastard. You think you got the authority to keep that door shut in the savior of Meridian space? What do you think Sun King of Vod is gonna do when he hears what you did? Promote you, huh?
伊啉酒醉。
Hey, fruit boys.
我觉得啉酒醉的人吐槽干嘛？无话哪讲嘛是。
啊，伊嘛爱对啊。
Something back in Meridian?
Look, Varl,
It doesn't matter. I made it just in time.
伊嘛是爱对啊。
就还对咯。
讲遐这嘛是开门啊，对啊。
What's about the
我先看卖咧，先来加是无？好，
你要讲有一个 west，
即马无都叫咱那边啊，
哦，伊无对咱过来。
hasn't started.
伊伫门的另外一边，
We're just gonna barge in?
no more politics.
补充节有操节，
Now at least you have some backup.
Yes, I do. We'll see how it goes.
我是take corner 是无？因叫啥？我袂记。天哪口，
你那口，
对，天哪口。Hello，天哪口。
That is the line between east and west. Cross it and die.
Hold
哦
on，now.
就派你。
派。
Easy.
None may walk this valley until our signal sounds. That was our accord with the Karja.
无因看他就歹无。
对啊，
I came on my own to
有诶
ask
真
for
个晓
my
拜你。
passage.
But they opened the gate for you, did they not? What is the meaning of this violation?
Why send a child? Do they want to parley or not?
The Karja can't be trusted. This is no.
Forget the Karja. This has nothing to do.
Karja，
I need to go west to save lives.
我要去救人啦。
The only
红
lives
鬼
you can save are your own. By turning back.
这真正是足歹
对
的，
啊，
就认为讲因的地盘无袂使互别人的，对吧？
She's telling the truth about one thing. She's not Karja. She's a Nora from the Savage
yeah,
East.
it's Nora。
If she seeks to save lives, should we not listen? Let me speak to her. One last favor for a fellow marshal before he's taken.
人家完全唔拿一个呢，完全唔拿一个。是大家背单是无？
A fearless, red-headed Nora. You
哦，伊有认出伊呢。
savior of Meridian.
Just that way.
主母上救
I
车，
am unyielding Fashav. Once of the Karja High Command, last of the
Fasha.
army of the setting sun. You're left.
不哭诶，不哭，不哭诶，发下。
This embassy is a
是靠袂出来的发下，还是
你看，不哭啦，
背靠无目屎的靠的发下？
无不哭是哭哭的哭，
哦，哭哭，
啊不哭，对对对对对，
不哭
不
不
哭
哭发下，
say.
不哭安尼，
哭
不哭应该用台语哭强，
哭强对啊
哭，强，还是不哭
Along with some assurance.
无差？哎，
对啊，
哦，哭强更新，
You asked why I need rite of passage.
你问我讲为什么要通过遮？我甲伊讲，你袂满意咧啊，
6 months ago,
我个就对啊
the，world almost ended in Meridian. That threat still exists. It's
所
getting
以
worse
你
every
讲
day.
的大个月进前就是第一代上尾上尾啊，
第一代就是迄爱甲迄迪斯拍败嘛，
The source of it all has gone west. And I'm the only one who can stop it.
I've seen the signs. And I've heard tales of incredible occurrences in Meridian, an army of demons vanquished by a red-haired champion. So I'm inclined to believe you. The burden of your task is written across your face clearer than any mark of mine. I'll grant you this.
诶，看起来就是较理性。
真好呢，又较相信伊啦，
Task so
Yeah.
important. And it's just the two of you. Take it from one
有啥物遮重要任务？敢若你甲我哦，
对啊，对对，这吕酸有讲啦，讲这一代甲第一代无共款，就是讲阿罗的这代爱，就是讲爱甲足侪朋友合作，袂使干那孤一个爱冲来冲去。
安尼较合理啦。
嘿啊，
If I need it.
侬看伊表现就好啊。
嘿啊，主角威廉
You can find him at his palace, past the mountains to the southwest. Tell him I sent you, and he'll listen to you.
The Skylands banner.
天空部族，其中一个部族啦。
啊，那三个拢够啊。
你感觉呢？
It wasn't easy, but I brought the Sky Clan with me.
是不是会当过啊？
And the commander? No. I could only convince a few.
无因 commander 无来啊。
Or where we left.
We have banners from all three clans. If there are fewer from the Sky Clan, it can't be helped.
He's right. Sound the horn.
哦，
Not at all enough can stomach the idea of parley with the Karja.
Gentlemen, start your engine.
Then I'll be on my way.
No, the other marshals will not permit it. You wanted safe passage, you have it. After the embassy.
嘛是爱等啊。这仪式嘛是爱等。
开始了嘛，是爱等因，就是桥半港封刷。
两边的，就是讲因穿的衫看起来差真济吼。
无共嘿啊，这看是较原始部落的一款，啊，
我
这种就是较有文明的，
咁样
较进
呢？
步的款。啊，毋过 定性。
无啦，这是斯巴达甲阿登呐，你知意思无？
哦。
等一下。
因即种就是看资源较济啊，你看身躯顶管那铁的啊，迄种物件较济啊，啊，较水有无？伊清茶拢较油啊。
So too can it set over a land at peace.
会为就济。Fasha.
Hear me, marshals.
Hear me, marshal.
Regala, Chief Akaro's biggest
呢，各位拍起来。
rival whom he should have killed.
You have forgotten that our people were born in blood. The blood of the Karja. Instead,
应该是反对就是交流的人。
你看起来是好政府主啊。
The embassy is proof.
哎呦。
And all of you marshals are his accomplices. For this, I condemn you to death.
You'll need more than toothless threats to intimidate us. Exile.
Exile. 毋是甲 Nora 共款，甲 L 共款。伊边仔个有机械是安怎啦？表示讲伊会控制。
机械系啊，安尼伊就，
嘿，伊带
安尼就差足济啊。
伊带军队来哦。喂。 喂
They're writing machines.
Oh my god.
Learn to do that.
对啊，应该是 Silence 教因的啊。
Push up.
无本地敢若 L 也晓即招尔。对啊。哇，要拍起来。是讲拍赢。哎。哇！你个西边啊，甲你拍起来。
系啊。
哇！
这样真正伊安尼做算伊害家己人呢。
对啊。
这毋着背骨啊！
哇！哇！伊即摆咪连口角都拢爱抬。
系啊，啊，就是完全无要谈判。
无要交对啊，无要
交流啊，系啊。
哇！袂安怎？
哦，就差一步尔。
伊上无路用。
系啊。
拜拜。
这抽塔。
哇！瞄袂着。哇！ 这看起来就将军有无？较搞怕。我，对，拄则好落去了。哇！哇！受伤啊！
What happened? Can you see?
啊，剩伊两个啊。
Five fair。
安尼是要安怎有 fair？
对。哎，春节年。哎，开始。换 L 伊，换 L 伊。
要来整，要来整。
Stick to cover. Archers on the ridge.
要怎拍？哎，因你倒位？哎，因你倒位？
边啊来啊？
哎？ 都位哦，这。
来啊！是哦。
哎。Yes，come on。哎，OK 啊。我先不会吧。
金酸。哎，冲你来哦。
冲你来较好啊。冲你来较好啊。是。呜呼。
是。哦，不要。
人嘞？
你这边不是这样。
咁冇。
冇。加饼。
加啦。
我家不要加。
哎。
紧张。
我哪无法度做事？
哦，是。
哦哟，惊到，哇，拍了。哎，够有。
6针。
哇，伊一个人开来这大哦。我无做啊。
这是啊，靠背。
这是要安怎拍？水，哎，看起来。
往靠。
到位。
加饼。对。哎，不会。
哎，我卡掉。
刚刚是个有人。
对啊。
哦，改过。
有人啦。加。无代志。物件。哦。
我就用诶。你是掉火诶。
对啊，伊掉火啊。喂。
跟我讲。没关。你看大只一只。哦。你无共食诶。
对啊。Say goodbye。
鬼那只高啊。
对啊，就伊就遮大声呢。哎。哦，是。啊。
这紧
张，我。
从头来啊。
各位拍咯。Outlander。
Garuda。
哎，是不是这个 boss 哈？
哎，这只应该 boss。Garuda。
落来一堆。
定高机啦。
哎呀，定高机啦。
这 boss。
哇！哎，你看我人读啊，伊那不会想。
系啊。
哇！哎，伊武器较强呢。哎，莫个拍。
Never see a shield like that. Better scan it.
哎，无在想哦。
这叫啥？
我受不了！哎，
你无保回啊？
我啊！为什么无保着回啊？
你保回即马无啊？
我知。哇！奇怪，在哪爬？哦，遐先甲伊的盾拍掉了。
对啊，
没哪爬，我唔知啊。我想一下，没哪爬。
哦，
想要保回。啊！没哪爬。我都伊都未受伤。
敢有其他的用啥物钱啊？是啥？我都看。
对呢。哦，也当跳。我试看卖好。哦，伊惊死哦。啊！
这是啥兵哦？
对啊，兵啊。
所以，伊钓这个兵的时阵，伊把都用盾，对吧？
我试看嘛，你敢是？你敢是呢？伊盾无去。会，卖惊酸啊！哎，我重新建一下。要伊惊酸啊！哦。哪较有效哦？
伊即马无法度坐迄个盾牌啊，盾牌我会记是叫做盾牌啊。
盾牌啊？
盾牌吗？
对啊。
盾牌。
但是我今仔吹无保回，我保回一个啦。
开始射击。
我保回一个啦。哎，阿人。哎，人嘞。
不过伊个牌啊，即马我现在。
无丢。
我边啊落。
是。Empty。
这材料是不是这部？
对啊。
哦，够凶！
伊叫伊闪的。哦，伊跳下很好哇！伊跳下很好。
就等呢。边走。
啊！无丢。哎！啊，伊过来。先把伊盾牌拍掉。
哇！啊 ！GG。
搞歹拍。
可能是你若是用一开始用那强生的。
强生伊字无够，我材料无够，我惊讲拍好了，你知意思？拍好了我就拍。我惊讲。
无就是干那会使用普通的钱。
对啊。好啦，咱 较省的用啦，对啊。哦哦。哦，这天。
不会。黑伊面大嘛，破去啊。
对啊。
Shields regenerated.
气球。
啊！红掠掉，紧走。
哦，哎，你无会无啊？
哎呀，我知。先甲盾拍掉，啊，才用强身。
用这关节叉来拍。
对啊。
哎，伊刚卡掉啊！
哦，伊真，伊迄个瞬间间走就远的呢。
系啊。心酸。
唉，
要先 Q 保回无？
哦，啊，先叫破坏吼。
对啊，世界细细的叫保回啊，顺便 Q 一寡钱。
诶，
哇！
先叫破坏。
系啊。
先来走，先来走。
系啊。
哎呀，
这时阵就是爱啥，迄个啥怕输遭赢。
对啊。
哦。
挖机。
你算讲你会使，就是伊的盾破去了后，你用迄个啥，用你的迄个毛
哦，对啦，嘛是会使。
改变。
但是我较无甲伊用毛。
你徛，
因为我感觉就恐怖。
你徛伤远，伊就会一直弹物件，弹物件甲你。哦，无咯。
好啊，哎，咱先甲盾拍掉好。哦，原来是安尼跑，哇嘞！会死啊！
解决。
啊！
恭喜哦！恭喜哦！恭喜哦！
对啦，其实伊即代的观念就是毛是拍人，钱是拍机械。就是毛是拍人，拍赢就当活落来。
你搞落来。
屠杀靠脚人，我震惊开始啊！
这真正是来乱，黑白胎啦。
我伊有机械就较畅想啊。伊即马当兵的人袂晓。
哎，你讲当兵的人安怎？
伊袂晓控制机械。
我敢若伊会晓，
对啊。
赛伦斯嘎嘎。
哇！哎，够了
无死啊！
哎呦，手无去啊！
无迄本地，伊刚开始本地就无手啊。
干嘛呢？
我记死。
You gonna make it?
哎，个伊嘛无死。
You're going on without me, aren't you?
伊嘛算是一种，算是这样，一个主角呢，伊就对主角世界走啊。
对啊。
For now,
Come on.
来等啊，来等来等。但是我未 Q 了呢，涂骹拢物件，我就想要 Q。
拄则你应该先 Q。
哪有可能啊？拄则场面遐紧张。
就讲要拍输走赢，哪走哪 Q， 先全部拢 Q 一轮了。
愈 Q 愈怕，愈 Q 愈怕安尼的。
对啊。中国国民党上高一招，啊，毋过尾仔嘛是
无因拢无咧拍啦，
尾仔嘛是拍输啊，真正是。
因是愈拍愈走啦。
It's salvage time, boys.
回收的时间到，结果拢互因撬。啊，我想要撬。
这专业的啦，专业撬骨的。
撬骨对啊，对。
拄则迄只。
对啊，伊用的迄个会当飞。
Aloy.
Obama.
We're still trying to sort out this mess. Seems like the Tanakh have a civil war.
我伊看起来较老啦。
Sounds about right. The marshals weren't expecting Regala to attack.
And the entire Karja delegation was slain. Nozar, Wadis.
立选讲，咱随身会当炸10个迄个保会，啊，迄个装备内底个会当放14个。
哦。
所以安尼总共就24个，啊，10个用了，你个继续试迄个12个顶。
我知，但是我拄则药草真正是无够啦。对对。
This is only the threshold of the Forbidden West. The Tanakh's true domain lies over the mountains that border Plainsong, home of the Utaru tribe.
This isn't Tanakh's territory?
All that out there? That's no man's land. It was supposed to be neutral ground.
中立理性，遮拢带生理的就对。
无遮无带啦。
With all those machines they were riding, they must have made camp up that way.
但是即摆应该是无人会主动去过啊。
主要就敢若剩迄个机械手。
即摆无人要谈判，已经开战啊。
How could that be possible?
I don't know. But it's worth looking into.
While you're at it, there were a number of Karja went out there before the gates were shut for the embassy. Maybe you could check in on them. See if they're all right.
I can keep an eye out. Is there a tall neck somewhere nearby?
A tall neck?
在南修。
That one.
你无看过着？在南修。
But why?
It's
对，麒麟路，麒麟修。
网络顶管偷偷先看过。啊，毋过刚刚是即代足特别的一个。
伊无度拍。
伊无度拍，
但是你当背起哩着。
嘿。
对啊，我有知影。
I need to be on my way.
我拄则就是用伊的方法拍赢呀。用魔较有效率啦，拍人的时阵。但是我即摆的技能无点魔的技能。对啊。咱就来点点好啊。
I appreciate it.
Sun watch over you, Aloy.
May God bless you.
I hope you
May the
find
force be with you.
伊句安怎翻译？愿日头保护你。
愿日头保护你。愿你有保庇的啊。
咱即摆来甲药草 QQ 嘞，拄则拢无。哎呀，拄则讲
新东西。
哦，伊伫空中的时阵会当起风。哦好。
哦，一个迄个
安尼啦，
奖杯。
对对对，就安尼啊。
奖杯。
咱即摆甲涂骹的物件 QQ。
对啊，药啊补一个啊。
啊，这是咩啊 Q？
迄
迄刚 Q 有，刚袂落落。 诶，
迄就是爱
伊害羞拢互 Q 了啊呢，我纯有少刚 Q 呢。
对啊，因要专业 Q 过咧啊。
诶，弄我拍，结果拢互 Q 走。我加。
有够。
我看应该有够，我家应该有够。我即摆是药草无够啦。
There's only one other person who has that kind of knowledge.
扣一个药草咧。
Silence.
诶，咱即摆有马啊呢？
会使叫。
哎呀，会使叫马啊呢？
还佫有啊，佫侪药草会当捡啊。
对啊。
我甲捡咧。
哦，等一下 QQ。
有想啊。
哎呀，无急。好，差不多。咱即马要去倒位咧？江远哦。有遮啊。
哦，找着啊。
先来去找伊好啊。
联络。
诶，咱即马就是你有足侪无无看无有无？啊，你若会找着伊，会当甲雾拍开。
哦。对。伊就算地图的功能啊。
对。但是咱先叫马好啊。哎呦。啊人诶，遮。
面即马9点，你有要小休一个？
会使啊，会使啊。那边休10分钟好啊。
好啊。
诶，才怎么落落？
啊，你要暂停无？还是？
好啊，暂停好啊，我先来走啦。
先走去啊，
对，
看到伊再来暂停啊吼。伊边啊应该有所在通啊记录哦。唔知。
我叫你先去找伊好啊。我遮会当啊，遮会当。先来运动。好啊，咱即马休困10分钟好啊。咱即马休10分钟。
I don't know. You got some tough competition out there.
You think I'm worried about the other crews? I've got an eye for quality salvage. They don't.
So, when can I see it? Your armor.
Soon. Very soon. Just working out the last details.
Our armor's gotta make all other armors look like rusted buckets of scrap. You really think you can do that?
Rube, come on. You know me. Have I ever given you anything less than perfection?
I don't know. You got some tough competition out there.
You think I'm worried about the other crews? I've got an eye for quality salvage. They don't.
So, when can I see it? Your armor.
Soon. Very soon. Just working out the last details.
you can do that?
Karoof, come on. You know me. Have I ever given you anything less than perfection?
I don't know. You got some tough competition out there.
I'm worried about the other crews. I've got an eye for quality salvage. They don't.
So, when can I see it? Your armor.
Soon. Very soon. Just working out the last details.
Our armor's gotta make all other armors look like rusted buckets of scrap. You really think you can do that?
Karoof, come on. You know me. Have I ever given you anything less than perfection?
I don't know. You got some tough competition out there.
You think I'm worried about the other crews? I've got an eye for quality salvage. They don't.
So, when can I see it?
Soon. Very soon. Just working out the last details.
Our armor's gotta make all other armors look like rusted buckets of scrap. You really think you can do that?
Karoof, come on. You know me. Have I ever given you anything less than perfection?
I don't know. You got some tough competition out there.
You think I'm worried about the other crews? I've got an eye for quality salvage. They don't.
So, when can I see it? Your armor.
Soon. Very soon. Just working out the last details.
Our armor's gotta make all other armors look like rusted buckets of scrap. You really think you can do that?
Karoof, come on. You know me. Have I ever given you anything less than perfection?
I don't know. You got some tough competition out there.
You think I'm worried about the other crews? I've got an eye for quality salvage. They don't.
So, when can I see it? Your armor.
Soon. Very soon. Just working out the last details.
Our armor's gotta make all other armors look like rusted buckets of scrap. You really think you can do that?
Karuk, come on. You know me. Have I ever given you anything less than perfection?
I don't know. You got some tough competition out there.
You think I'm worried about the other crews? I've got an eye for quality salvage. They don't.
So, when can I see it? Your armor.
Soon. Very soon. Just working out the last details.
Our armor's gotta make all other armors look like rusted buckets of scrap. You really think you can do that?
Karuk, come on. You know me. Have I ever given you anything less than perfection?
I don't know. You got some tough competition out there.
You think I'm worried about the other crews? I've got an eye for quality salvage. They don't.
So, when can I see it? Your armor.
Soon. Very soon. Just working out the last details.
Our armor's gotta make all other armors look like rusted buckets of scrap. You really think you can do that?
Karuk, come on. You know me. Have I ever given you anything less than perfection?
There's a lot of ancient wrecks out here. Must have been a huge pile. The old ones. They gave everything they had to slow down the Pharaoh's war. To buy Zero Dawn time. signal for my focus. That sound. The Tallneck must be close by. Overriding it should give me data on the surrounding area. Can always count on a pack of scrappers to carve up any salvage. Looks like a satellite dish. If I can climb it, I should be able to reach that Tallneck easily enough. What is that? A power generator? Must be Plainsong. The Utaru tribe's home. Don't talk about satellite dishes. The light is worse here. Try to throw the guy back. I'll be like this everywhere. Must be closing in on the signal.
安尼应该有啦，
安尼有
安尼应该有啦，安尼应该有。
今麦麦克应该有写啊，对啊。有啊有啊有啊，好好好，呀，就这声好。今麦应该有看大声啦，有啊有啊，慧明讲有啊。哎，你有发现啊？
哎呦，
伊会 scan 啊，伊会 scan。我看你还是先给他拍掉好啊。
对啊。
无你先甲印去边啊，边啊有树的所在。对，你先甲印过来。
哎，人伫倒位？哎呦！
伊有听到你的问题。
哎，毋是这另外一只呢？
会对呢。
哦，队友这就无饱啊。
其实伊还是用牌较慢的。无会啊，无会啊。用拍较慢的，因为伊拍哦，你无都拍伊的弱点。啊有啊，
所以啊靠腰，
会无会哦。
哦。
你会当用专注模式啊？对。
哎，我无保回啊，靠腰。
先保回好啊。哎，加油，交姐。
Pain subsided.
你甲伊后壁迄拍掉，哎，无钱啊，无钱啊。
哦，够气 Q。老师嘞，哎，卖走啊，卖走啊，啊，毋是足凶呢。
哎，伊走啊呢？
你拍啥呢？
哎，伊走啊呢？
我等来啊。
哎，这里哦。
回电管。
对。
这空间呢？
怕无？这里哦。哇，先找保护啊！你即马无啊？哇！
哦，
边啊，还有一只。
到底是要安怎迄落？
对啊，对啊。
哦。哦，拄好就是换我拍的时阵，对着一个坎站安尼，真正是互我考验。但我先想办法来找要安怎甲迄个楼梯吼，互伊先讲。
对，因为伊只只 scan 时阵，你闭伫咧迄草内底无效。应该是。
是我感觉可能是边啊有足侪只。
无啦，你拄只比伫草的时阵，毋是有发现？
青色的无法度味啊，啊，敢若红色的使。
对，红色的使。但是你拄只是伫红色时阵互发现啊。
系啊。
对啊。
就是讲我爱先迄落，这讲有效。
你先 scan 看卖伊的弱点是啥物啊？你 scan 看卖。长期，持较久的，对。无，收紧。伊的弱点是电啊，冰呢？
冰啊，咱敢有迄落，敢若有吼。
但是迄冰是弹头开，
所以
你爱弹到伊较困难啊。
看卖要安怎解决啊？
因为我记你麒麟兽，敢若无法度为一楼去。
伊即马咧洗裤啊，对无？
对啊。
洗裤啊，所以看伊咧飞的时阵。
无你 scan 看卖，你 scan 麒麟兽看卖，看有法度为涂骹去无？ 讲破多。
如果开始飞啊，
乌恒先生，讲即马有声啦，紧过。诶，犀利。这是一个发电厂。
我要安怎过？
你甲印过来啊，然后用迄无声攻击，弹石头。弹伤远啊！你弹伤远。即摆会当过，用无声攻击。好快呢！先甲抛来，对。用普通的钱就好啦。无对，无你无油好满，对，你无油好满时阵伊会袂出。
哦，
你知影意思无？对。
哦，够麻烦呢。哦，歹，我这个游戏我第一摆算了呢。
爱甲你斗相共无？
我搁试一届。
来哦，你甲当做 Elden Ring 算就。
嘿啊，真正是甲这天这相当做是老 Coco 啥？老 Coco 环
Elden Ring。这里。你迄个钱吼，若是有好满的，较袂准，而且伊会写迄个距离较近。对啊。拜拜。
哦，拜拜，多谢阿帆。
无伊迄 scan 时阵，你若吼 scan 掉都无效啊。你等石头还等你边啊啦，系啊。啊，伊过来时阵用无声攻击，应该是一个就死啊。对。无声水，立起来，边仔还有一只对。就这样，伊伫对面啊。水。
哦，总算是。
水。
有一寡进展啊。
这当有物件通摕啊？说哩哦。
你看袂着我。啊，迄只要安怎解决啊？
迄只敢若会当拍尔，正面对决，无别方法啦。
啊，应该是看到这只死。
对啊。说哩哦。你即马是黄色的哦。
你即马黄色的灯咧讲有无？
对了，你黄色若是迄个白色的填满，你就好现啊。你先甲楼梯拍落来啊！你即马会当拍楼梯啊？又满。
这样。
对。啊，会当起你啊！你起你看卖，应该拍无你啦。今日走。
哦，今日走。
无电
下骹电啊用。
啊，有发电嘿。
就所以下骹迄个发电。
但是你即马会当起你无？你试看卖，应该有可能有路。 另外一边咧，另外一边不是有楼梯，有楼梯啊，跳过，对，跳过，对。
迄只哪会咧会倒？
唔知。
哎，扫描。
对啊。哦，这是资料点嘛？哇，伊讲这条拢唔对咧。
所以是爱。
但是你看一个讲，哎，其实就敢袂过来。你看伊行的路，伤远哦。
可能就是爱，无就是爱搞这个发电的。
哎，伊无发现你啊？
哎，好怕。
哎，无得卡你离遮较简单呢。
无一定。伊即摆人喺度。
唔知。
哎呀，好怕。
哎，伊发现你啊，发现你啊，这里哦。哎，无呢，伊无发现你呢。
无去。
伊无去啊。
系啊，走去倒，要落去
无？我是感觉买。
哎，
然后伊发现你啊，发现你。哎呀！哎，伊拍无你，也无会。
哎，那走去啊？
唔知。
你不爱插我，哦，安尼我落去啊。
你找别个路看卖好啊。
下骹迄个电池来处理啊。
哦，好。应该是你爱找到电池啦。
电池遮。
你 scan 看卖啊？scan 看卖 ，scan 看。
所以我即摆爱找电池，对无？
你边啊迄个蓝色的找看卖敢？对啊。
应该是电池，应该是伫附近顶管。
唔知。诶，敢是迄白色迄？有无？你有看到迄白色迄无？
迄是咱的迄个马啊。
诶，迄是马哦。
系啊。
安尼电池伫倒位？我找无电池啊！还是找看卖有别路无？
拄则咱倒，这会使试。
因为你拄则去的时阵，另外一个所在有一个楼梯会当落啊。应该不是这无路啊，这无路。
无路。
系啊。你找看卖另外一个电池啊。对啊。
过飞去顶管。
对，飞去顶管啊，为另外一边落。哦，即摆暗时较暗吼。
你讲这边啊？
对啊。
这楼梯。
哎，对。哎，是毋对？哎，加。
什么所在？
但是迄个机就其实伊会当去哩哈。
照讲应该是我应该是爱爬到。
因为迄机就无，但是你。爬这个塔无意义啊，因为基础若无过来，你嘛无法度跳落啊，跳过啦，对无？
所以，那是咱拄则起来。
对啊。 你爱先找看嘛，迄机灵球敢无所在会当挂过来，挂起哩。因为你看，
先徛较悬去看。
对，因为你看伊是安尼走，但是伊无接近这个所在啊。
嘿。
啊，伊若是无接近，其实你爬起哩嘛无意义啊。
是讲遮有啥物件爱叮当？诶，
安那？
敢是这？
这啥？你 scan 看卖啊？无啊。
你敢会知？啊，切灯。
无多。
还是用高手？
但是高手伊也有会当高的所在啊！你看，迄机灵球顶悬敢有会当高的所在啦？
机灵球吗？
嘿，伊伫边啊！你先 scan 伊啊，有无 ？scan 看卖，看伊敢有会当高的所在。我看。
机灵球。
对啊。有可能伊身躯宾馆有会当高的时候，有可能啦。
就是黄色的啊。
对，但是
对无？黄色的迄个，啊，不过你爱上无你爱飞去你迄个卡车边。
对啊，但是伊无行过来咧，你还要安怎跳？
对啊。
奇怪咧，那真奇怪。
即马这所在这平台嘛无够悬，应该是下骹迄个电池，毋知是要安怎迄落，对无？这敢会使跳？
伊拄则有讲，遮已经无法度去哩啊。拄则 L 有讲。
我感觉是用这个，你看这个叮当。
倒一个叮当？应该毋是啊。
那安尼电池的问题要安怎解决？我感觉应该是下骹迄个电池的问题啊，对无？
但是你电池，
敢是伫迄只鸟啊身躯顶挂？
敢安尼？
还是青色迄个光？
你找看卖啊？
迄只鸟啊。
哦，对啊，伊目睭会光嘛，对无？
对啊。
哎呦！
安尼敢会当偷拍？
你拍看卖啊？
伤远。
应该是拍无。电池无电，好无？
对无？应该是电池啊。
你先去机灵球边仔看卖好啊。
机灵球边啊，你看。敢有人甲咱？
无。你先去看卖啊，对啊。
机灵球边啊。
若是有当高的所在，你去 X 应该是伊都会去你啊！啊，你互拍。伤远啊！因为我去第一代时阵拢是，你啊爬去一个较悬的所在跳。哦，伊讲啦，又讲啊，一定有别方法，对啊。伊的腿无到爬啦。
这是咱的。
对啊。
冲锋者啊。
我无大啊。边附近敢有较悬的所在？安尼这。哪些倒一个？哎呦！所以讲应该是爱去迄个所在摕啦。迄敢电池？是不是你拄则迄个楼梯落来时阵，你饲唔着？
伊你是饲着迄个飞迄个机灵啊？
对啊。哎呀。 对啊对啊，
哦，加嘛，
对对对，
啊，过来，这嘛，
对啊，
下边，过来，
跳过，
豆饼，
嘿，架饼，
下边，
跳过，
跳去，
对对对，
过来，
Kitty，
去，
对对对对，啊瑞，魏家瑞，加，哎对对，
加落，
对，起死角，哎，啊你看讲，我看，这无路，我伫边仔尔，但是，啊对对对对对，哎呀，这有路啦，哎呀，
半工安尼，过来，
就过啊。你看见有法度过无？
啊，过来，要起啥？
跳，无，四角，对对对。
哦
Should get that generator below the dish.
，yes，
Yes，
配到电池啊，
啊
啊，过来你食落啊，
对啊，对啊，原来如此啊！
There's the
猪
generator.
尿，
Got this power something going on.
来猪尿，
对，
哦，
无你爱对，水有电啊，
I should check that console.
啊，搁去一摆。啊，迄控制台应该是叫迄
对啊，
过
都，这样，感觉是迄个，
家己英小狗叫过来，应该是有可能。
This thing does.
对啊，
哦，改礼物，
哎呦，
背给你点管，
敢会歹去？哦，毋是这，毋是这，毋是这。毋是这啊，毋是这啊，这。
我看到我要戆去，那是365，360度，唔是365度。来个只，啊，过来，
哦，你爱改开线路，改开线路。
刚开始都要加了加，
甲拍掉好啊，甲拍掉好啊。有。成功啊！
拍开啊！
成功啊！
所以当个飞去顶悬嘛，安尼就较悬。
对，有较悬。
飞机
有够悬。
较只平。啊，飞是饲哪一个啊？
是四角。
I should be able to get to that tunnel now.
你看伊即马伫倒位啊？
爱徛伫上方诶。四角饲掉的就会飞啊，对吧？
对，你伫空中的时阵。好，到伊哦，会当去哩啊！你即摆会当去哩啊？所以，哦，
不过我惊怪。
你惊怪啊？
系啊。
边啊，毋是，这毋是。
过来。
点管。
哦。
是。
Time to override the big guy.
三角。
哦。我等下算安尼20分啊，拍手。
是。你即马看拍开地图。伊就会到。 中间，有无？
哦，怕龟啊。
对。
哦，啊，这是赢会，这拢会使记录对。
对，赢会那遮济。
哦，啊，所以咱过来，
搁会当找主线，找主线，对啊。
有这个。
对，如果你即摆已经 check 啊。
嗯。所以这已经完成了嘛，对吧？
无啊，即摆是主线。你即摆就是要改这咧。
要改这。
你看地图就知影，伊有甲你讲要为倒去行。有啊有啊。你迄条线道。
所以黄色这条，
对。
我遮远呢。
啊，徛尾咩？
直接冲过啊。
系啊。
哦。
啊，伊即摆会当落啊。
是哦。来。
所以。叫伊啊，对啊，叫伊过来。
到位，来哦。哦，啊，继续徛尾。哦，
够900步。
解决这个任务。
是 X。所以，安尼较紧。
干嘛记录？
免啊，伊会自动的。倒边。
我咱安尼中就无迄落啊，行中看有啥物无共款的生物。啊！弄着油。我拄要敢若看到无共款的机啊呢。
是哦。应该是。
对，这是啥物步骤的？
对啊，伊拄则有天哪科有3个步骤啊。
头前才有一只要拍。
这只是啥？无看过。呢？用剑用剑哦。尾是有会的哦。
是哦。
会有会哦，会死哦，会死哦。
我即摆要去倒？要过溪。
干嘛呢？敢若是呢。你即摆方向唔对啊。落尾。收水过啦，你要收水过。但是你应该先甲拍掉啊，伊全部拢发现你啊。收水是有时间的哦。你收水时阵饲迄个牵着，饲牵较紧着。啊，饲四角是累。
对啊，饲 X 是起来。
对。
我是用收水。
起来收袂晓收水。
系啊。哦。
就紧张诶。
系啊。比较运动一个。应该是爱入去这个毋知啥什么所在。
对啊，这应该无厉害啦。
哦，这那是啥物？
这就是西伦是好伊的。对啊。西伦是应该伫遮啦。
西伦是伫遮。
对啊。
啊，伊应该物件留伫遮。物件悄悄地。这使饲吧？
是。
Consider this message a beacon to help guide you out of the fog of ignorance. You
看伊留什么信息落来？哦，你还生啊？
我知道，伊甲黑弟子关伫遮哦。
about the mysterious signal that gave life.
你那安尼啊？敢若家己啊？
黑弟子，我想要青年失败啊！哦，所以讲，
已经知影，
已经知影都有备份，备份啊，对不？应该
OK。
比较。
所以即马是要调查赛伦斯的工作室，还是讲迄个对迄个啥，迄粒。
对啊，迄个球应该就是伊甲迄弟子关伫遐。你先甲附近的所在 QQ 咧。
会当扫描。
对啊，倒边迄个。对。伊嘛是一个资料点嘛。
这是记录。
对啊，记录啊。
物件悄悄一个。
Some kind of log, most of it's redacted. Looks like silent.
这是啥啊？工作台是在升级票。
对啊。
哦，这种。无物件，记录者好啊。
好啊。
这是快速记录。
好，啊，你先去找迄啊。有 hint 无？倒边。
爱手动无？
无免。
免了。
对。你看。伊迄个 hint 伫
度。无我甲你换，我感觉你算啊较顺，我算啊哩啦。
没啦。
你要用？
没。
我看，你即摆就是爱找 hint 嘛。我看，咱先去确定看卖讲即摆有当升级无？
哦。
我看者。
你来看。
应该是无多啦。拉底会使。我试毋着。 落地仔升级物件通常是啥物？你知无？譬如讲你看，山猪的皮，有无？系啊。所以讲，对，动物是会当升级的。所以讲动物爱拍。
哦，了解。
系啊。
毋是机械迄种的啦。
对。
就是我在笼里敢若弄死几啊只，迄个羊嘛是猪。
但是我看者应该是爱 scan。 伊讲啊，找这，
这是信号
伫附近。
在倒位来？哦，对，这行哦。
对啊。伊讲即马就是爱找伊啊，我看。遮啦。对，应该是遮。
过来。
应该是遮无毋对啊。
还个扫者。
遮。爱找迄信号伫倒位？有 hint 呢。
宾馆。
咁遮？确定遮？伊哪会叫我过来？
要看卖者。
无啊。
敢是伊的工作室？伊迄个拄则遐内底敢有啥物？是这啊？
干嘛呢？
无人拄则蹦坑遐，就是位。
蹦坑遐？你讲到遮哦，遮。
毋过迄树啊，
这无物件啦。
迄道具啊。
对啊，这无物件啦。我应该是这啊。
继续吹啦。
然后我确定者，对啦，应该是找这啦，找迄个信号啊。
过来。Q 怎样保护？
好啊。
Ready for anything now?
对，这样。
啊，不是水底。
感觉是水底，干嘛呢？Q 起有草嘞。真正是水底呢。
啊。那唔对边啊？无空气啊。
先起来，对啊。当这样。加。对。这样很哦。
无开啊！
我知。
GG，
敢袂死？袂啦，袂紧张，袂紧张。那无去。
有到拄则遐。
会有。伫下骹有乌窟遮，伊会收水，莫甲我骗。还是内底有空间，是无？
应该是这内底有空间，毋过你要哪入去？石头、路中。
我即摆是找路，你知无？我找无路啊。食啦。啊，食呢？我发现啊！有一只会收水的。
安尼要安怎迄落哈？
哎呀，要哪过？有门诶！因为底下我无都拍伊。伊个收水莫甲骗。
敢会伤厉害？
因为我伫水内底无到攻击啊。无到攻击啊。
对啊。
哪呢？伊真正会收水呢。咦？
你是要收去倒位？
我先去你好啊。喂，买啦，乖。
感觉应该是边啊，伫迄个算是啥块乌旗，乌岸边啊，找看卖。
有钱咯，但是迄个门我无确定讲敢会当拍开。
你水内底也无法度写字。对啊，安尼叫咱开无法度开啊。
Oh there!
Merchant.
What's Honora doing this far?
Don't expect to see anyone else out here.
No matter, no matter.
Might be here
I can
to
get
get
you
a
stocked
supply.
up for the wild. I have plenty of wares.
但是我拄讲迄个，伊无出现讲会当饲的时候，会当饲的所在啊。无，通常你会当饲的。真正脆哦。
这到底是啥物？
伊个运动伫迄改变所在想无。
嘿啊，也是讲啊，需要。
Steel to my soul, my wares are the finest.
这应该毋是去迄个，即满毋是去水底啦。
两条所在。
trail goes into the hillside. A ruin. Okay. Let's see where this goes. I guess Silence used that machine to haul his pride. That must be the orb Silence stuck Hades in. And that door. Looks like a Pharaoh facility. Or a Zero Dawn. Hades? Is that you?
System threat detected.
You don't look so good.
You are the Aloy. Come to destroy me.
Yes. Permanently this time. Even like this, you're a threat to Gaia. Once I resurrect her.
So you have not yet secured Gaia back up. Then Gaia is dead. Earth and you. Despite malfunctions, I have won.
Silence asked you where to find a backup of Gaia?
Data error. Memory structures disintegrated.
Right. Because that would have been easy. What did Silence do to you, Hades? It's like you've been hollowed out.
Silence interrogated me.
And what did you tell him?
Data error. Memory structures disintegrated.
You don't remember any of it?
I remember you.
What, like me beating you at the Spire? Okay, that's not going anywhere. Do you know where Silence went?
He departed 12.8 days ago. Perhaps he... Data error. Behavior prediction structures disintegrated.
So you don't know anything more than I do. Great. Do you know why Silence dragged you to these ruins?
Silence intended you find me here.
Obviously. But why? What was this place?
Location is square. Data error. Memory structures disintegrating. My deathbed. He called it my grave.
But you... I guess I'll find out when I go inside. When the mysterious signal transformed you, it made Gaia's other subordinate functions conscious too. You escaped when Gaia destroyed herself, but so did they. Where did they go?
Each function migrated to coordinates based on data error. Memory structures disintegrated.
Bunch of crazed AIs. Scattered hoot. Hephaestus kills thousands every year with the con, and you nearly ended the world. 7 more functions out there, cooking up trouble. It's not a happy thought.
You are
Anyone ever tell you you've got a great personality, Hades?
sarcasm detected.
Yeah, didn't think so. Silence questioned you about the mysterious signal? The one that woke you, gave you consciousness. Who sent it?
Signal transmitted by masters.
Who are they?
Masters woke me to destroy earthly life.
Who would want that?
Data error, memory structures disintegrated.
全部拢问袂出来。
Enough. It's time to finish this.
Does Aloy still think she can restore Gaia? Save life on Earth?
Yeah, Aloy does.
Then you are deluded. Extinction inevitable.
What would you know, Hades? Twice you tried to destroy life on Earth, and twice you failed. The only extinction you ever brought about is your own. And there's no tricked-out lands to save you this time.
You are incorrect. 3 times Hades extinction.
What? You remember this?
Yes, data intact. Non-viable biospheres aborted. Years 25421612168.
So, that's centuries ago. It's what you were designed to do.
Biosphere is version 5. There will be no version 6.
There won't need to be. I'm saving this one.
Master override arms. To activate, state name and rank.
Elizabeth Sobek, Alpha Prime.
Master override activated. Purging extinction protocol.
Hades stuff. Say goodbye. 我是感觉
就是讲，Hades 伊最知影是讲
Aloy, I see you've dealt with Hades.
Yeah. Think maybe you can stay dead this time?
It will. You can trust.
Trust?
Yes. Trust. As in, since I did what you could never do, extracted all of Hades' priceless knowledge, you can trust that I was willing to actually let you destroy it this time.
So back to holograms instead of face-to-face? What, afraid I'd stab you or something?
There's a reason
And using the same spyware. I see, so all those times I called, you could have just answered? But I guess you just prefer to go on spying all this time.
My world stopped revolving around you months ago, Aloy. I've had work to do. Countless hours of research, as demanding and time-intensive as it has been critical to the fate of this planet.
Right, of course. You're just trying to save the world, too.
That's right. The difference, of course, is that unlike you, I've produced results.
Did you find a backup of Gaia or not?
Oh, yes. I believe I did.
Where?
Voila. Why do you think I summoned you here? Behind that gene-locked hatch lie the ruins of the ancient facility where the Hades extinction protocol was perfected. A testing process that ran hundreds of trials, each of them using a backup of Gaia.
Hades told you this?
It took some convincing, but yes. So, are you ready to go get what you've been searching for the last 6 months? Or are you just going to stand there with your mouth open?
Just to confirm, Hades said that there are backups of Gaia in there.
Yes. Or were anyway. 1,000 years ago.
Backups that didn't get purged when Ted Farrow wiped every copy of Apollo.
Correct. According to Hades, this facility could not be accessed by remote signal. Not even Ted Farrow could touch the data here.
Backups. Data complete. complete Gaia and her subordinate functions. Everything needed to reboot the system. Restore control over the terraforming system, save life on Earth. And there.
So Hades said. So what are you waiting for?
Did Hades reveal the source of the mysterious signal? The one that woke it, tried to destroy life on Earth?
Yes, it did.
Care to share?
In due time. First things first, Aloy. Last I checked, you still had a super-intelligent AI named Gaia to reboot.
Yeah. The same Gaia who had to destroy herself 20 years ago because of the signal?
It stopped being transmitted years ago. It's no longer a threat.
What if it repeats?
It won't. Even if it did, well... The details are complicated, but the signal required Hades to take effect. Delete Hades from any backup you reboot, and Gaia's safe. Now stop wasting time. Go get a backup.
You mentioned you've been busy.
Exceptionally busy.
But not so busy you couldn't teach Tanakh the rebels to override machines, ride them as mounts.
Aloy, the only issue you should be concerned about is obtaining a Gaia backup. Perhaps if you focused more, you might actually see results.
That's not exactly a denial, Silence.
Take it any way you want.
All right. I'll search the facility for a Gaia backup. But just to be clear, Silence, if this ends up being another one of your tricks...
It's a gene-locked hatch, Aloy. You're literally the only person who can open it. How could I set a trap inside?
Trick me again, Silence, and our next conversation will be face-to-face. Though you won't have much to say, on account of my spear being buried in your throat.
Aloy, thanks to me, everything you desired, everything you've been fumbling about, unable to achieve for 6 months, is now within your grasp. Now, I know you didn't learn much about manners growing up a Nora outcast. But in a situation like this, you say, thank you, and I say, you're welcome.
Hold for identiscan. Genetic profile confirmed. Entry authorized. Reading start. Please step inside. Please step inside. Please step inside.
Are you kidding me?
I think we're in luck.
In luck? The door is completely messed up.
Obviously. But despite the malfunction, you can still get through. If you'll be patient for a while longer. See those crystals there? The Oseram call them Firegleam. They're combustible. Not nearly powerful enough to blast through a door like that.
But maybe just enough to jolt it open a bit more.
Exactly. It will only work with an igniter. I'm sending you the schematics now. To build it, you'll need some machine parts and the oil from a kindleweed plant. That only grows underwater, but you should be able to find some in the nearby lake. The parts are more complicated. You'll need a spark coil from within a Leap Lasher's power cell. Remove the power cell before you kill the machine, or else it'll break.
Got it. Okay, now where's its power cell? I can get data to override machines from cauldrons. Just need to find one. got the parts for the igniter. Now all I need is some deep water kindle weed. Deepwater kindle weed. Check. Now I just need to build this thing.
There's a workbench near the entrance to the facility.
From your time tinkering with Hades?
Tinkering. More like extracting and valuable data.
There. Should be able to use this to blow up that fire gleam now.
Indeed. A useful combination. It's how I detached the processing orb from the horse in the first place.
Great.
I'd step back if I were you.
Please step in.
Finally. I think I'm in.
Then by all means, proceed.
Bet I could use this igniter if I find more places with fire gleam.
Focus on the task at hand, Aloy.
This whole place is flooded. And there's another gene lock door on the other side. But that's where any Gaia backups would have been stored. I have to find a way to get over there. Well, this is familiar. Making my way through ancient, crumbling ruins while you spy on me through my focus.
Stop waxing nostalgic and concentrate on finding a backup.
I'll shake it out as I go. My pullcaster might come in handy here. might be a good idea to drop that ladder. Door's locked. There's some kind of device next to it. It looks like this connects to the door, but it needs power. Memory cell. That did it. What's above me? I'm gonna take a step back. What was this room for? Looks like there is another console that needs power. This console shut down. What do we have here? Elizabeth. And Travis Tate.
Ooh, boy! I tell you, Liz, what I just done gonna make you love me. I just imagine them far zenith rapscallions opening this fake Gaia we made for him. And I thought, what this really needs is a signature.
This isn't a prank, Travis.
I know. All I did was just script a couple of avatars. A little you, a little me. To deliver our message of doom, real personal-like.
Would you just send it?
As soon as it's done compiling, then you and me should celebrate. I brought party fixins, pizza rolls, absinthe, a couple of hacky sacks.
I'm heading back to Bryce as soon as this is done.
Color me confounded, Liz. How is it that someone like you, paragon, damn near saint, could love this world so damn much, but no one in it? I mean, have you ever even had a friend?
Compile complete. Data file, Baron Promise, ready for transmission.
If you would, please.
Logic bombs off. Here it comes, far as Z-nuts.
Just keep being the best at what you do, Travis.
Always admire you from afar, Liz. It's where my mama's grave. And she was religious.
Travis was wrong. Elizabeth was trying to make sure life had a future. She cared about everyone.
I'm not so sure. The exceptional walk a path of solitude, Aloy. As you and I are well aware of.